He has given us specific instructions to go around taking videos of the places along the tracks that are affected. So, say for example, we've already got 2 tracks here. Say for example that there is nothing further to be done over here, so there will be no photograph of this place because nothing is planned. Okay. At the place where there is also no single track. At the place where there is a single track, in case it requires in case that particular place, it could be a 50 meter, it could be 100 meter section with a 50 meter in between and another 75 meters up ahead, which may involve broadening. So those are the places where we are supposed to be taking the videograph.
Why? Because you have failed to coordinate with us. Now, we are supposed to inform the landowners. It's not about us. It is about the landowners. Look at that house there. Look at those houses. How close they are, sir.
Come and see the cracks also.
Yes.
Now, this is not a new technique, it's a tradition of the government for decades to inform the people who are affected at the last moment.
No, it wasn't last moment, sir. There has been a slight. I'll accept the responsibility for it. I should have picked up the phone and told him very categorically, yes, of course, you know it's Thursday, but it should be 10 o'clock. That is my mistake.
To keep on hold any acquisition process until we are able to impress upon the government. Actually, I was shocked to know this. I don't know what to say. On one side, the Honorable Chief Minister orders for directs for a resurvey, and just 2 days later, the cabinet passes the project. I mean, these are contradictions that cannot be accepted. Okay, and as I said, it's easy to. I'm saying this to all the cabinet ministers. It is easy to sit in the hall and take decisions when you know that none of your land and your environment and your house and your life will not be affected. Our life will be affected. Think of the people who have elected you to power. I have already written to the Deputy Collector that the Honorable Chief Minister, in fact we are very happy with the stand that the Honorable Chief Minister took on the day we had the meeting, and he fixed for this resurvey. Okay, and the Honorable Chief Minister himself advised me to write to the Deputy Collector saying the process of land acquisition has to be kept on hold, and I've already done that.
पहिले आमी जे वायज कमांडर जो रेल्वेचो पळयलोलो हो कमांडर नाल्यार हो सालाजार आमकां खबर ना. आमकां दिसलें की आमी पोर्चुगीज रुलान आसा कशें, कित्याक जेन्ना हे कमांडरान आपणाची टेप लायली, विलेजरान ताका विचारलें बाबा तूं टेप कित्याक घालता, लोकल एमएलएक राव. हो चार्जींग आमचेर येयलो. म्हाका दिसता हो अजून ताका दिसता की अजून आमी पोर्चुगीज रुलानूच आहा म्हणून. सो हे पळय असले पळय एटिट्यूड पळय रेल्वे पळय करता. एक टायम म्हणटा आमी पोर्चुगीज सिटी यू बरी पोर्चुगीज म्हणटा, आतां येता चार्ज करता. हे एटिट्यूड मातशें टायट करपाचें सरकारान. हे फकत आमकांच न्हू, हे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह थापट हें अशें उलोवप, अशें एटिट्यूड तेंचे रेल्वेचो जो आसा, आनी हेंचेर ताबडतोब एक्शन घेवपाचें पयलें. दुसरी गजाल जी आसा, आमी हे जे सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेचे पळय एक्विजिशन जो आसा आमी अपोज केलेलो रायट फ्रॉम 2008. आनी 2008 जेन्ना रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट नोटिफिकेशन काडलेलो, नोटीस इफेक्टेड ओनराचें नांव दिल्लें, पूण हो आयज नोटीस पळय तेंच्यांनी ड्राफ्ट केला, त्या नोटीस गांव ना कांय ना, म्हणजे कोणाचें नांव ना कांय ना. म्हणल्यार हें सरकार हेजेर क्लियरली कळटा की लोकांक फटोवपाक सोदता. आतां रिसर्वे करपाक येता अशें लोकल एमएलएन सांगलां की हें रिसर्वे कित्याचें आमी हें क्लॅरिफिकेशन गोडेक आमकां दुसरे मिटिंगाक कळटलें. पूण विलेजर्स ऑफ कासावली, आरोसी, पाले, रिजोर्सी are strongly objecting to any form of additional line in the village of Assault.